Okay students, in today's class we will start from this exercise 1.2. okay, in previous class we have completed up to this fill in the blank. The face value of 6 in the number 6112 is, we have completed up to that. So in today's class we will start from your exercise 1.2. okay, in which page number it is? It is in your page number 73. Okay, so in previous class we have completed the fill in the blank. Now let us start with the exercises. Write the face value and place value of 3 in each of the following numbers. Write the place value and face value of 3 in each of the following numbers. Okay, so you have to read the heading carefully. What he is telling, place value and face value of which number? Of 3. No other number he is asking. He is asking only about 3. Place value and face value of 3. Okay, so he has given the first number. What is that number? Okay, next one is face value of 3. Next one is place value of 3. Clear? So first one is 8310. Okay, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. No, 3 is in hundreds place. What is the face value? Face value of 3 is 3 only. Place value, 3 is in hundreds place. No, so 3 into 100 equal to 300. 3 into which place it is there? It is there in hundreds place. No, 3 into 100. 300 is the place value of 3. Okay, next 3692. 3692. So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. For which number we are finding out face value and place value of 3? No, so here 3 is in which place? So he is asking face value of 3 only. Okay, and place value means 3 is in which place? Thousands place. So 3 into 1000 equal to 3000. Clear? So next one, third one is 9003. Ones, tens, hundreds, this is thousands. So here face value of 3 is 3 only. What is the place value? 3 is in ones place. No, so 3 into 1 equal to 3. Clear? So these 3 numbers we have completed. Okay, so next one 32,957. 32,957. 7 ones place, 5 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place, 3 is in 10,000s place. So face value is what? 3. Okay, what is the place value? 3 is in which place? 10,000s place. So 3 into 10,000, this is equal to 30,000 is the place value. Next number. Okay, 48,536. So this is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, no? So here we want about 3, no? So 3 face value is 3 only. Okay. Place value means 3 is in which place? Tens place. 3 into 10, 30. Clear? So place value and face value we have discussed in the previous class only, no? So regarding that only we are trying to find out the face value and place value of the given number is what? 3. Clear? So sixth one, 53964. So if you can see the first one, 8310, 8310, face value is 3. Place value means he wrote 3 hundreds. 3 hundreds means 3 into 100 only. Okay. So you can write this number, or you can write here 3 10,000s. Okay. So any of this is correct, but here he has given in words, no? So you have to write everything in words. 3 into here 3 tens equal to 30. Like that you have to write. For previous third, second, first also you have to write like that. For second one it is 3,000s, no? And for third one it is 3 ones. Okay. If you write in number form also it is correct, but he has given in word form only for you. So you should write everything in word form. Okay. 53964. So here 3 is in which place? Thousands place. Okay, let us see. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So what is the face value? 3 only. What is the place value? 3 is in thousands place, no? 3,000s equal to 3,000. Okay, 3,000s means 3 into 1,000. Okay, like that we can write. So we have completed this bit. So for second, third also you have to write in word form. Okay, whatever we did is correct only, but he has given in word form, no? For first example, so you have to write in word form. Okay, with this we have completed your first bit. Write the following, write the place value and face value of 3 in each of the following numbers. So we have completed this first bit in your page number 73. Okay. So next concept is what? Successors and predecessors. Successors and predecessors. Clear? Successors and predecessors. So under this heading we are having the concept. Okay, the number that comes after a number. So this is the point you have to remember. The number that comes after a number. So after means you have to do plus 1. Okay, the number that comes after a number is called successor. Clear? The number that comes after a number is called successor. Clear? So if his here you have to remember, here we are having after. After means you should do plus 1. So for successor what you have to do? You have to do plus 1. If he is asking a number and he is asking the successor for that, you have to add 1 to that number. So you will get the successor. Okay? The number that comes before a number is called predecessor. Before you have to do -1. Okay, so here the number that comes before a number, so the number which comes before a number is called predecessor. The number which comes after a given number is called a successor. So to find out successor, you have to add 1 to the given number, and to find out the predecessor, here it is there before, no, so you have to do -1 to the given number. To the given number only, if he is asking successor, you have to do +1. If he is asking the predecessor, you have to do the -1. Okay, so these concepts, what is meant by successor, what is meant by predecessor, we have understood now. So let us see, here he has given the successor of 3. So he is asking successor, no, after number. So what you have to do is what? 3 + 1 = 4. Successor means you have to do +1 to the given number. Successor of which number he is asking? He is asking about successor of 3. So I am adding 1 to the given number. 3 + 1, you will get 4. 4 is the successor. Okay, so like that, the successor of the successor of 17 is after 17 + 1, what you will get? 18. So 18 is the successor of 17. Clear? So in the next one, the successor of 134 is, so after 134, what you will get? If you are adding +1, what you will get? Here he is asking successor, no, so you have to see the after number, means you have to do +1. What you will get? 135. Okay, for 134 we are adding +1 because he is asking about successor. You will get 135. Next, the successor of 57642, 57,642 is, so after 57642, what you will get? Sorry, 57642, he is asking successor of 57,642, no, so you have to do +1. If you do +1, you will get the next number, no, in the serial. So after 1 you will get 2, no, means 2 is the successor of 1. Okay, if you are adding +1 to 1, you will get 2. Okay, 1 + 1 is how much? 2. So like that, to want the if you need the successor, you have to do +1, means you will get the next number only. If you know it directly, you can write. Okay, if you are getting confused, you add +1. Okay, 57643 is the successor of 57,642 is 57,643. Okay, so this is about successors. Here this is about successors. Okay, so here he has given some point to remember. What is that? To find the successor of number, add 1 to it. Just now what I have said, to find the successor of a number, add 1 to it. Okay, he has given some number 2 and he is asking the successor of 2. So what you should do, you have to add +1 to get the successor. The successor for 2 is 3. Okay, he has given some number To find out successor, he will give some number, okay? He will say find out what is the successor of 9. Successor of 9 means you have to find the successor of 9. What is the successor of 9? 9 plus 1, it is equal to 10. So he is telling to find the successor of a number, add 1 to it. Okay, to find the successor of a given number, we have to add 1 to the given number to get the successor. Okay, so this successors, finding out successors, we have completed. Next one is predecessors. Predecessors means just before only I have said no, the number that comes before a number, before a given number or a number, is called predecessor. Okay, the number that comes before, okay, the number that comes before a number is called the predecessor. Means you have to do -1. So he will give some number. He is asking about, suppose he has given 4, he is asking to find out predecessor of 4. He is asking the predecessor of 4. So we have to find the number which is before 4. So what you have to do? Equal to 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So to find out the predecessor, you have to do -1. That's what he has given in the remembering point. What is the remembering point? See here he has given one more point to remember, no? To find the predecessor of a number, subtract 1 from it. Yes, subtract 1 from it. So to find out the predecessor, of a number, you have to do -1, means you have to subtract 1 from the given number to get its predecessor. Okay, so to find out the successor, what you have to do? You have to do +1 to the given number. You have to add one number. Okay, so let us see the examples. If we see the examples, it will be very clear for you. So what is the example? The predecessor of 9 is how much? 9 minus 1 equal to 8, no? So he is asking the predecessor of 9. Predecessor means the number which we get before 9. So how you will get that number? If you do 9 minus 1, you will get the before number, no? Okay, so that is 8 is the predecessor. The predecessor of 28 is so what I am doing here, I am writing in bracket 28 minus 1 is equal to how much? 27. So you have to write this number in the box. Don't write this. Okay, this is for your understanding only, I am saying. The next one, predecessor of 465 is what? Before this, what you will get? Equal to 464 only, no? So if you do -1 from this 465, you will get 464 only, no? So if you know it directly, write it directly. If you are getting confused, do -1. Okay, 465 minus 1, 4, 5 minus 1, 4, 6, 4. Same we got, no? You can write it directly, I think, because you know which number will come after which number will come before which number. Okay, so in hundreds and thousands like that. Okay, the predecessor of The predecessor of 7893 is 7893 is what? Is 7892. How I am doing? Minus 1 from 7893. So 3 minus 1 2 9 8 7 7892. I got that one only, no? Yes, clear? So this is the predecessor. Okay, so here if you keep equal to or is, it's not a problem. Okay, here he has given is, so that's why I am writing there. The predecessor of 89,999. 89,999. So this is a big number, no? If you know the predecessor, write it directly. What is the predecessor? The number which you get before this number. So how to get that number? You have to do minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. Okay? So 9 minus 1 how much? 8. Here 9, 9, 9, 8. 89,998 is the predecessor. Okay? So is 89,998. So how you got this? This one we got. If you do the minus 1 from this number, you got that number. Okay? So this is about successors and predecessors. Okay? So let us see on a line. On a line, if I represent the successors and predecessors, how it will be? Clear? For your kind understanding, I am drawing this. Okay, in your page number 74, he has given a number line. Okay, so starting from the successor of a number lies right hand side to the number on the number line. He is telling the successor of a number lies right hand side lies to the right hand side of the number on the number line. So I am representing the numbers on the number line. Okay, so see here. So this is a number line. So from 4,775, next 4,776, 4,777, 4,778, 4,779, 4,780, 4,781, 4,782, 4,783, 4,784, 4,785, 4,786, 4,787, 4,788. So here he has given a number line starting from 4,775 to 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88 till 4,778. So what is this statement telling? The successor of a number lies to the right hand side of the number on the number line. So he is telling the successor of any number will lie right hand to that given number. So if I want the successor of 4,775, the successor I am telling for this number, I want the successor for 4,775. So what I will get if I add plus 1, what I will get? To want the successor, if you want the successor, what you have to do? You have to do plus 1. If you know what is successor, you can say the number directly. If you don't understand, you have to do plus 1. So 4775, I want the successor. So I am doing plus 1. What I will get? I will get this number, no? So next, I want the successor of 4778. If I am doing plus 1 to 4778, what I will get? I will get this number, no? So like that he is telling the successor of a number lies right hand side of the number on the number line. So if I want the number, if I want the successor of 4775, I will get 4776, no? Means, so this is the number, this is the right hand side, this is the left hand side, no? So this is the number, this is the right hand side, this is the left hand side, no? So he is telling the successor of a number lies to the right hand side of the number. So I want the successor of this number, means this number is the successor of this number. 4775 successor is what? 4776, which is right side to the 4775. It is right side only, no? 4776 is right side to this number only, no? Which number? 4775. So that's what he is telling. The successor of a number lies to the right hand side of the number. So if I want 4778 successor, what I will get? I will get 4779. This number is the successor of this number. Okay. So this number is right hand side to this number, no? Means 4779 is right hand side to 4778, no? So that's what he is telling. The successor of a number lies to the right hand side of the number on the number line. On the number line, the successor will be right side to the given number. He is telling that only in the number line. Okay. So that one is the representation on a number line. Clear? So sorry, I have to draw it again. Just a minute. 4775. Clear? So till we are having 4788, no? So we have completed the discussion about successors. So he is telling the predecessors of a given number, of a number lies left hand side of the number on the number line. So this is the statement. So let us understand this statement. Okay. So what he is telling, the predecessor of a number lies left hand side of the number on the number line. On the number line, if I want the predecessor, so 4778 is there. I want the predecessor for 4778. So to get the predecessor, what we have to do? I am doing -1. 8 minus 7, 7. 7, 7, 4. If I am doing -1, I am getting the predecessor, no? So what is that? 4778. For this number, the predecessor is 4777. Okay, where it is? It is left hand side to the given number. So that's what he is telling. The predecessor of a number, here I am taking this number as an example. 4778. For this number I am finding out the predecessor. I am doing minus 1. I got 4777. He is telling the predecessor of a number lies left hand side of the number on the number line. So this number, for this number the predecessor, this number, no, for 4778 the predecessor is 4777, no. So if I represent on the number line, where it is there? It is there left hand side to this number, no. It is there left hand side. Where is my left hand? This is right hand, this is left hand. So this is there left hand side to the number. So this is left side, this is right side, no. It is there 4778 for this number. The predecessor is for the left hand side for 4778. The predecessor is there. This is predecessor, no. So he is telling that only the predecessor of a number line lies left handed side of the number on the number line. For this number, for any number on this number line, the predecessor will lie left hand to it and the successor will lie right hand to it. Okay, so that you have to understand carefully. With the example I have said this. Okay, so with this we have completed this topic, successors and predecessors. If he is asking successor for a, he will give one number, and he is asking successor, you have to do +1, and he will give some number, no. If he is asking predecessor, you have to do the -1. That's all. And successor of any number on the number line, will lie right hand side to the number, and predecessor will lie left hand to the number. Okay, left hand side. Clear? So with this we have completed this topic. So here he has given in a box, in pink color box, the successor of number 8713 is the predecessor of number 8715. What is the number he is telling? You have to find out this. This is for your homework. Okay, in next class we will discuss from here. This is for your homework, you have to try it. Okay, thank you.